Hey, you gonna run your car?
Hey, I'm trying to run you.
Oh, wait a minute.
What up, Speed Nation? Need to Speed Car Reviews. I'm here with another video, y'all. Back again, returning up for 2020. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Shout out to all my old subscribers and my family. My hair King Wheel and Tire. Demonology's me. Mission Fly pulled in. Demonology put in. Let's go. We turning up in 2020. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Because we getting it in. We getting it in and I'm bringing it to you. Let's take a look at Mission Fly's rap. That's like one of the sickest raps out here, in my opinion. We'll see right now. That rap is crazy. Crazy. Here it is, y'all. Check it out. Man. Nice to finally meet you, man.
You too, man. Thank you.
Yeah, man. I love it, man. I love it, man. Awesome. Hey, Need Speed, check him out. Mission Flyer, right here. Check out his channel. Make sure you subscribe to him. That's the man. He drove up here. He gonna get it in. Yep. Hey, maybe I'll get a race with him tomorrow. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see.
I don't know. I heard about y'all.
Hey, I think he may have too much for me. We're gonna see. We're gonna see.
Hey, man.
He got the ammo cans in the back. Here go the man Demonology right here. I think he live right now. Check him out, y'all.
Got 5 locations in Dallas, 1 in Saginaw, and this is our newest location in Mansfield, Texas.
So if you need tires, if you need to be lifted, you need wheels,
C-notches,
he can drop and pick it up when it's hot, everything.
$54 down, that's it.
Woo!
Finance everything.
54 down. Oh, wait a minute, man.
That's what I want.
That's
the one I want right there.
I want that one too. hey, Matt, I want this light bar. I want this light bar.
All right, Speed Nation, let's take a look at the demon over here. That's Demonology. That's the Soul Snatcher. Y'all want to see it? It's on the trailer. We're going to see if I get a run with him tomorrow. Hey, comment down below if you think I could take him. The Soul Snatcher. Check it out, y'all. Speed Nation, let me show you what else is out here, y'all. Yeah, I know the Dodges, the Mopar, they out here representing really heavy, real heavy. So let's check that out. Let's see what else is out here. They representing real heavy, y'all. Check it out. Cooley be coolin' right there. Check them out. Stay the Steezo right over here, y'all. Shout out your channel, man.
What's up, man? Stay the Steezo, man. Y'all can check me out.
That's it, right there. Check them out, y'all. Check them out.
I feel one of the best studios out here, man.
You see that? See that? We bringing it in 2020, y'all. Bringing it. Got to. That's right. That's right. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Definitely hit them up. Check them out. That's right. That's right. That's what it is.
Trying to be like Dumbass, state to state.
That's right. That's right. That's right. We out here representing. It's already live out here. And we ain't even start racing yet. But look, check it out. See what else we got out here. It's already crazy. We just getting started. Mopar representing heavy. as usual. Check that interior out, y'all. If you're gonna do it, you gotta do it right. That's what this is right here. You know what I'm saying? Don't do it halfway. Don't embarrass yourself, because he just embarrassed a lot of y'all. I'm just saying, you know. I'm just saying, you're gonna do it, you gotta do it right. And you're looking at the example right here. That's how you do it. Clean. Clean. That's the only word for it. Clean. Look at that. Look at that. Huh? I said it once, I'm gonna say it again. Mopar is out here representing heavy. You should expect that. You know? Check this out right here. Garage driven. In the building. I like that right there. See that on the top. Let me know what you think about that one. I think that rap is crazy up top. I love that American flag. Some say freedom ain't free, but I tend to disagree. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Check it out. I like that right there.
That's gonna go up. That's the same shit my son did in my other car. He opened the door like this.
Make sure you subscribe. Stunna Reece right here. He here, he ain't here. Check out the whip. Kitty cat ain't playing. That cat'll snatch you up.
It ain't no other New York out here. You know what I'm saying? It ain't no other New York out here.
Might be somebody from New York. New York out here.
Ain't no other New York out here.
That's right. That's right.
Community, man, and especially for his people, man.
Salute. Definitely. Definitely. There he is. That's the man.
Yes, sir.
New York in your city. That's where he is right now in our city.
You talking holding two cameras. I'm only holding one today. The other one in the truck.
Yes, sir.
Hey, definitely subscribe. New York in your city.
Control by don't say nothing.
Stunna Reece. Subscribe.
Yeah. Yes, sir, man. We out here, man.
Out here.
Showing love, Demonology.
That's right.
And Dunk Master
That's right.
put together a great event, man, to bring all of us together.
That's right.
When I say us, y'all know what I mean.
That's right.
You feel me? But yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all show a whole lot of love. Subscribe to this channel, man. Support everything that you're doing, man.
Appreciate
He a
it.
real one. He a
That's
real
right. That's right. That's what it is. Y'all heard it from Stunna Reece. That's the man. The man with the yellow cat. Kitten. That's what it is. Soul Snatcher.
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
Talk to me, baby.
I'm here.
How you doing?
Hey,
How you
Speed
doing?
Nation, y'all see Need to Speed
There we
with the
is.
Soul Snatcher right here in the flesh.
Yes, sir.
He gonna be snatching souls.
Hey, man, come out to the
Make sure
track.
you
Hey,
there.
hey, you gonna run your car?
I'm trying to run you.
Oh, wait a minute.
I don't want my soul
Hey, man,
snatched.
is this your dad, man? Tell him to be easy. Only tell him not to beat me up. All right? Come on,
I'll take
man.
that one back. I don't want my soul snatched. It's too early.
Come on, man. Your dad come in looking like M'Baku from Black Panther, man. Come on. I done got sauce like that. Come on,
I don't
man.
want to look too bad, man.
No, man. It'll be all good. So what kind of car you got, brother?
I got the Porsche.
Oh, man. One of my buddies is coming with a Porsche. Carlos Allen. I don't know if you know him, but you will know him because
Okay.
he showed out
Really?
with his Porsche. If you look at some of my early videos when my Demon was all stock, it was a white Porsche 911 that I was racing in an 8th pound.
Okay.
And oh my goodness, he is so
The
fast.
911 Turbo?
Yes,
Yeah.
911,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Carlos Allen is
Okay.
going, man, I gotta put you two brothers together, man. Y'all,
Okay.
man, y'all gonna have a
That'll
good
work.
time. Man, tell your dad to take the keys on people with that Porsche. No, look, man, out of all the cars, I really think the Porsche is the best all-around car.
Think so?
You know, I went to Vegas and I got a chance to drive a car called a Porsche GT3
Right.
on a road
That's my
course.
dream car.
And the rear wheel steering,
Yeah.
and it's just weird. It feels like you're on a rail.
Yeah.
You know, now my buddy Brooks, Drag Times, he's gonna be here. He claims the 720S McLaren is the best, but I tend to think it's a Porsche. We always
I see him. I see him.
Yeah,
I see him go at it.
So Drag Times
Yeah.
gonna be here.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
cool.
you know he the big boss with the
Yeah.
hot sauce. He
Yeah.
make them all do
Hey.
what they do. Yeah.
You'll make him look bad though.
Hey,
You'll
man,
snatch
we
that
gonna-
soul.
Hey, we gonna do it. Hey man, tell them Baku to take it easy on the Black Panther. Come on, man.
All right, man. There you have it, Speed Nation. Right there. The challenge was submitted, and then I back down. I back down because that's a smart thing to do. Sometimes you gotta back down, especially when you're going against that demon. You know, I'm not ready yet. But like, share, comment, subscribe.
He turned the whole ring, did all his own stuff, and then he went off to the wall. I said, man, where this brother at? He gone off to the wall. He gone, man. What happened to you, Mr. Fly? Freedom ain't There you go. And somebody gotta get it. Somebody gotta get it. Mr. Fly is retired.
This is how we get down, y'all. Nothing but love out here. That's it. That's how we getting down. We enjoying ourselves, having fun, getting ready for that big event tomorrow. That's what it's about. Hey, it's like 30 or 40 cars waiting to come in. It's crazy out here. It's gonna be ridiculous tomorrow, y'all. Make sure y'all tune in.